Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to Farr Digital Media. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make $100 every single day by using Canva. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into this here. We need to understand what is Canva and why Canva. So Canva is a graphic design software that makes it very, very simple because of the drag and drop editor. You can make simple designs or complex designs, and the great thing about Canva is there's two different accounts. You guys can sign up with a free account with limited features, or you guys could upgrade for $15 a month to Canva Pro. Honestly, if you want to take this side hustle to the next level, just spend the $15 a month. You won't regret it. There's a bunch more things that Canva will offer. You'll make more money in the long run with it. You won't have to worry about it. And I honestly would just highly recommend it. Also, Canva has a whole bunch of apps on it, like artificial intelligence apps, so you can make designs that other people won't. What are you going to be selling? So with Canva, you guys are going to be creating digital downloads. So digital downloads are non-physical products that customers can purchase and download immediately. The great thing about digital downloads is the profit margin on them is extremely high. Imagine if I wanted to sell this journal right here. This is our trading journal I sell on my other YouTube channel. The issue with this is when I ship this out, when somebody buys it, I have to pay for the printing, I have to pay for the shipping, which costs money, which at the end of the day could take up half of my profit. So the profit margin on digital downloads are a lot higher because you can send them via email, and they can just download them and customize them to their needs. So you guys are going to be able to create like planners, templates, digital artwork, social media graphics, and printables. Make this unique. You need to stand out. With this type of work, like I said, it's a low cost way to make money. So you can pretty much sign up with Canva, start creating products, and start making money. So what this means is there's a lot of competition. So you have to be different. You are going to want to sell on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Creative Market, and you're going to want to set up your storefront. And the biggest thing about this is, what I would highly recommend doing, is picking a niche. So this could be like fitness. This could be like weddings. This could be whatever you want to do it, right? The biggest thing that I would recommend doing is having passion about what you're trying to sell. So if you're into fitness and working out, then go ahead and go with the fitness aspect, because you're going to want to market your product. So you guys could leverage social media platforms. And if you already have a passion about something, it'll make this a lot easier because you can post pictures on Instagram. You can go on Pinterest. You could make TikTok videos and say, hey, if you want to learn how I diet, check out my diet journal, or what, fitness journal, whatever it is. So you're going to want to leverage these social media sites, because the biggest thing is there is competition. So you have to be different. I can't stress that enough. You have to be different. You have to be unique. You have to ask yourself, why would somebody buy from me over somebody else? You're also going to want to use SEO, so search engine optimization, to optimize product titles, descriptions for search engines. So you want people to, when they search up downloadable fitness journal, yours comes up. You're going to want to use keywords to help with that SEO. Also, collaborate with influencers, and I think this is so undertapped, because what you can do is reach out to them and say, hey, I just started this brand. I would love for you to be an affiliate with me, and I'll pay you 50% of anything you sell. Boom. So now what this does is it gives you exposure. Your profit margins are still extremely high, and you'll be reaching more people, and it'll just be awesome because you'll have a larger audience. And then as you grow, I would highly recommend looking into email marketing. So building that email list to announce new products or sales. And kind of combination of all of this is what's going to work very, very, very well. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about how to get started with this. So you're going to want to go on Canva here and click Create Design. And then this is going to pop up. So imagine if you wanted to go the fitness route and you wanted to make a fitness planner, right? So the great thing about about Canva is there's all of these templates, right? So you can even see as we scroll down here, there's a finance planner, health planner. So let's click health planner and see what comes up here. So they will also have all of this stuff off on the, these templates on the side here. So what you can do, right, depending on how you want to do it, you could do a fitness planner like this. So Monday exercise, weekly goals, motivations, and you're going to want to brand it, right? So you could do like, let's go ahead and look up working out and see if there is some more ways where we can brand this. You can change, some font types. Let's make it a little bold, space this out a little bit, or you could even make it smaller, throw it up in the corner there. Center this in the page, right? Whatever it is, okay? Boom, something like that. You can go ahead and customize this thing. I want this to be super, super in-depth, customized for you, right? So now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna open up an Etsy site. So you guys can see here that some of these planners are selling for $15, $10, $31. Obviously, there's a whole bunch of, downloadable stuff in here, but that's fine because starting out, you could even go with the 99-cent one right here. And even something like this, you might go, oh, I can't make any money off 99 cents. Well, guys, this has 4,700 reviews. So yes, you can make money off of these. And how you want to do this, it's very, very simple. So going to Etsy, you want to use something like this. So what you would want to do is click add page and then go, and then pretty much go, let's go ahead and go like this. So now that you have this here, what we can do is click share, and you're going to want to go to see all, something like this, template link. So now we'll do create template link, something like this. Okay, we'll highlight all of this. We'll click these three dots. We'll click link, and then we'll put that in, right? So now let's go ahead and imagine, right? Let's go ahead and download this. You're gonna wanna download this, a PDF. So we'll go ahead and click download here. So this is how it's gonna be. And then if they want theirs, they just have to click that download, and then there they go. And the biggest thing about all this is just creating, your Etsy site to be different. And we actually posted a full video on how to set up an Etsy site. So make sure you guys check that out. Today, we were more talking about Canva and how to make money using Canva. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.